It was really surreal how, I dreamed of getting married there from like the age of 18. I think it's the character in the ballroom. There's not many places in London where you can get, somewhere quite intimate, but still have a lot of character in the room. So when planning our wedding, we came across a number of hurdles, from not fitting the amount of guests that we had, to wanting the whole floor covered, to sparklers off the ceiling that supposedly wasn't possible. I mean, Kudos made it all happen for us.
Theo and Marina's wedding, I would say it was challenging, simply because Marina knows exactly what she wants. This is my vision, and make it happen, really. So where Kudos' journey began, it was a few of us who got together, obviously myself, Jazz, Haj and Rajan and the DJs.
It was more just, the mindset that we all wanted to do something different and do something big. H's album kind of went massive. He was kind of pioneering that whole music alongside his DJing. That went massive. From there, I fell into Night Shift. Brit Asia was massive at the time. It was on everyone's TV station. Then we advertised on Brit Asia.
I'm standing outside the biggest building in the world. Bro, what's going on, man? How you doing, bro? You alright? Are you gonna back doors? What's Night Shift?
So 10 years ago, things were a lot different. There was very little production. DJs just used to come with their freestanding lights and their DJ equipment, and it was as simple as that. If water is left still, it's going to go stale, no matter how fresh and how good it was when you put it in there. Business is no different. Innovation is the way forward.
We're trading from a garage, and as things were getting busier, we knew that this wasn't going to work moving forward. If we wanted to grow the company, we couldn't grow it with the premises that we were currently in.
When we took the unit on, that's when we started thinking, hang on a minute, we've got a bit of space here. How about some lighting? How about some staging? How about some dance floors?
We had photo shoots done, we created TV adverts, new flashy website.
From being on cloud 9, a single event brought us down to ground zero. With Onka, he was one of those sort of guys who was very happy-go-lucky. He was always used to bring a bit of laughter, a bit of fun to the team as well.
Full of energy, full of being silly. So the time of when I found out about Onka's situation and that he might not make it, I was actually at the visa office in central London getting my visa to go and meet him in India.
I thought I was dreaming at the time. It was only until I'd stepped back into the UK that I'd realised that it is actually happened. You picked up the local newspaper and you saw his photo on the front.
I mean, that was a big impact on us, but one thing I would say, it did bring, all of us at Kudos even closer. And that was down to Onka, and that's one legacy that he did leave behind, was love.
I ain't doing this for myself anymore. I ain't doing it for anyone else. I'm actually doing this for my nephew, Onka, and I want him to be proud.
In Kudos, you can see that their affinity for the venue really shines through, and we're really happy and privileged to have them as one of our partners. Our clients that book the Natural History Museum are already demanding the best, so in that same hand, our suppliers that we work with need to be the best.
Client relationship is crucial in business. 85% of our business is repeat business. Only 15% of our business comes from advertising. So client relationship is crucial because that is where your business grows.
Kudos. I've always had that hunger to succeed and grow, and there's always been that personal touch from them. They're such a lovely team and they make you want to work with them.
When you're planning your wedding, they almost become like family to you. They're a big part of your day.
From the day I met them, I could see that same spark and that same passion, and it reminded me of myself. When I was 17, 18, I had that same kind of passion and that same look.
If you love what you do, you'll never work a day in your life. And the last 10 years, yeah, it's been hard, but it hasn't been work. It's been fun. The buzz is on the dance floor. When you got that crowd kicking and you know you're smashing a party.
You can't beat it. You can't take that away. Like it's hard to explain that when you're there and the room is looking crazy, and that you just want to keep, developing those moments.
You can't buy atmosphere, you can't buy love in the room, but the DJ can create it.